My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture. Today we'll continue exercise 3.6 and its first question, and we'll do part 3 and part 4. So mind you, I have told you that I am doing the questions which appeared in the previous papers as the long questions. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button as well, so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos in time. And I hope you are very well. Question number 1, part 3. Question is this, that if A, B, and C and D are in proportion where none of A, B, C and D equals to 0, then prove that A over B equals to A square plus C square divided by B square plus D square, its root. Okay, so solution, given that A is to be proportion to C is to D, so we know that A over B equals to C over D. So let A over B equals to C over D equals to K. This implies A equals to BK and C equals to DK. Right? So we have left hand side A over B. So replace this value, A is equal to BK. So we have BK divided by B means K. So left hand side equals to K. Let name it number 1. Just the right hand side, okay? Right hand side we have A square plus C square divided by B square plus D square. Right, so now we have A equals to BK and C equals to DK. So just replacing the values, we have B square K square plus D square K square. The denominator is same, so B square plus K square, and it is under the root. So this is equals to, taking B square common from the numerator, we have, K square common from the denominator, from the numerator, we have B square plus D square divided by B square plus D square. Right? So we just have this all values under the root. Now we can see that this B square plus D square is got cancelled. So we have K square root, which is equals to k, number 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, k is equal to k. So we say that left hand side equals to right hand side. It means we can say that a over b equals to a square plus c square divided by b square plus d square, which is our required answer. Hence proved. We can write it. Right, so my dear student, this is question number 1. We have done it. So I will do the next question. The part 4. I hope you understand it well. And if you have some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnails of every video. And if you have some suggestions, you may ask me on the same WhatsApp number on message. So we are doing part 4. Part 4 is same A over B. If A is B, C and D are in proportion and A, B, C, D never equals to 0. So then show that or prove that a square a6 plus b6 divided by b6 plus d6 rather c6 divided by e6 plus d6 equals to a cube c cube divided by b cube d cube. Right, solution. So we have or given that A, B, C and D are in proportion means A over B equals to C over D. So let A over B equals to C over D equals to K. This implies A equals to BK and C equals to DK. Right? So now left hand side we have A6 plus C6 divided by B6 plus D6. Now using A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK, we have B6, K6 plus C6 divided by C6 is C is equal to DK. So D6 K6 divided by D6 plus D6, right? So taking the K6 common, okay, we have B6 plus D6 on the numerator, and we have B6 plus D6 on the denominator as well. So it will be cut, and we have K raised power 6 on the left hand side. Let's give it number 1. Now take right hand side. So for the right hand side we have A cube C cube divided by B cube D cube. So just putting the values, A equals to BK and C is equal to DK. So we have B cube K cube times C's value is D cube K cube divided by B cube D cube. So thus this K cube and K cube multiplied, we have K cube, and then we have B cube D cube divided by B cube D cube. So these two got cancelled, these two got cancelled. We left with K cube. Let's just give it to number 2. So from 1 and 2, we have everything is equals to K cube. So left hand side equals to right hand side, which is equals to K. So hence proved K cube. Sorry, it is K6 rather. K6 equals to K6. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So we have hence proved what A6 C6 divided by B6 D6 equals to A cube C cube divided by B cube D cube, right? Which proves our question, and I hope that you understand it well. And if anything is not clear, you may ask me on my WhatsApp number given on the thumbnails of every video. And if you have some suggestions, you may put your suggestions on the WhatsApp number as well. I hope you are well. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for everything. अल्लाह आपका हामी और नासिर हो. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.